saw the shoes still.
I don't know why you have something that's so tempting in your office.
And now she has to try to put them on too. Look at that.
After she said one shoe. Those are more like snowshoes on you, Maddie.
Are you gonna try to walk with those things on? But you're going the wrong way.
Here, come on this way. I think you're pigeon-toed.
Maddie, can you say walk?
Walk.